Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and something happened today that hasn't happened in 110 days in Phoenix, Arizona. So I'm going to take you guys inside and show you what I just got in the box in the mail, which I'm pretty excited about, and then I'm going to show you what happened. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a Grove haul slash kind of tell you guys about the products, just to give you like my review on them. So I have been looking for a company to kind of make all natural products and it not be so expensive. A lot of the products I'm going to show you guys, they're more expensive inside grocery stores, and so I've been wanting to make my own, but then when there's like shortage of like vinegar and different things like that, I don't really want to use all of my vinegar on making cleaning products. I'd rather just buy a product that had vinegar in it and save my vinegar for like pickling and for canning and for different things like that I like to use vinegar for. And vinegar is getting more so in stores now, but every now and then I'll just not be able to find it. So my solution for that, which somebody told me about, was Grove. Grove is a company that basically ships all natural products, and they have different types that you can look at them on their app and they'll ship them to you. So the first time, when I first signed up for it, and it's like a app you can do on your phone, it came with a little free starter kit, basically for you to kind of start with the products and kind of see if you like them and see if it's something you want to do. And so I got the Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in here. I got the dish soap in here, and then I also got the hand soap, and that's what came, and I got them all in the lavender scent, as well as 2 sponges, which I've used the sponge. And so all these products are all natural, and I've been trying them out and using them, and they work really, really well. Because one of the things I didn't want to do is have us using harsh cleaning chemicals and then still be in the house. It used to be before, I didn't realize how strong some of the chemicals were that we were using in our cleaning products, just because I was cleaning the house and then we would leave and go to work. But now we work from home. So that was like the little free gift that you get when you get your first order of Grove. Now I have tried out the trash bags, and these ones are 100% recycled plastic. And then I've also tried the glass cleaner, which is this little guy, and they come in these little bottles and you just add water to them. The nice part too is that you can get these actual glass bottles to where they're just reusable. So every time you need more cleaning solution, you just add it and then add water to it and then just shake it up and you're good to go. So for my haul, this is what I got. And these are new products that I'm trying out. So I'll give you guys a summary on how they are after I've used them. So every time you order every month, it'll come with like a little free gift. So this one is the lip balm that it came with, and then I got the 7 Generations tub and towel cleaner. I got a room spray, and this one also I got the glass bottle to be able to come with that one. The cool part is that it has a different rubber piece on it than this one, and you can get them in different colors, so then that way you know that this one's for a glass cleaner, this one's for room spray. And then I'm also trying the Mrs. Meyer's toilet bowl cleaner. Now since I liked all the other Mrs. Meyer products, I'm trying this one. They ran out of the tub one, so I'm trying the 7 Generations one, which I use 7 Generations laundry soap, and I do like their products too as well. And then I'm also trying the Aunt Fanny's floor cleaner too as well. If you guys don't see a trend, I love lavender. So lavender scent is what I'm going with. And then the last thing I got in here are these Grab Green cleaning pods. So basically, this is where you can just throw this pod onto like something you have baked on that you can't get off, and it's supposed to be able to dissolve everything. So I will tell you guys how this works, because I have some pans that I've been scrubbing to have burnt on mess on them. So guys, if you want to try the Grove products too as well, and the service, it all gets shipped directly to your house, and it's through an app. I will put a link down below because they still have a special where you can get your starter kit for free. So I think you have to spend like $20 on the website, and then they'll give you the complete starter kit with the bucket and these 3 products and the sponges for free with your first order. So I will put it down below. It's not an affiliate link, but it is like a referral something. So I think I get like $5 or $10 if you guys use it. So just so you know, that does happen. All right, so let's go back outside, and actually I'm gonna cut to a real quick clip so that you guys can see what it looked like this morning outside. All right guys, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of time out here because as you can see in here, it is raining. But I thought I would share the beautiful rain with you guys and all of its glory. Look at that. We're catching some rainwater. I forgot to empty out the trash can to be able to catch a lot of rainwater. But it's so pretty. The garden is getting a nice dose of rain. This is a big deal for us Arizona gardeners, guys, because we've had 110 days of no rain here in the valley. So now we are in the aftermath of it all, and my garden is looking so happy. If you guys get regular rain, you probably don't witness this as much, but whenever it rains in a garden, it's like the garden grows like just overnight. Like right after it rains, the garden just perks up and grows about an inch. So I'm gonna do a quick once over just so you guys can see what it looks like, and then we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you the last major thing that we have up for Hanukkah. So just a quick walk through, but look at how big those greens got, guys. This is where you can really see the growth in your veggies after a rain, because I swear this just happened. Your greens are one of the things that will perk up like nobody's business. Look at that cabbage and look at the kale. It's just so much taller and nice and beautiful and lush. Look at all of these little tomatoes on here. All of those have perked up so nicely, guys. So very nicely. And then we're going all the way over here to the peppers are looking nice. All the tomatoes and even more tomatoes growing right there. And then the broccoli just really kind of perked up. Kind of grew like a ½ inch overnight. But I love that so much about a desert garden. Just once it rains, everything just kind of perks up, gets taller, gets bigger, gets more lush, and everything just becomes happy again. So I'm going to take you guys inside. It's starting to get a little bit chilly. We're not hitting colder temperatures tonight, so I'm going to let the garden stay open again. No kind of covering over it to see if it'll rain again and get all the rain it could possibly get, because I want all of it. But I'm going to take you guys inside so you can see the last piece of Hanukkah decorations that I put up, because we start Hanukkah tonight after sundown. Alright guys, so tonight after sundown is the first night of Hanukkah, and so we have the candle. Already we have the shamash, which is the middle candle that we will use to light all of the other candles each day. And then I just have some fresh flowers and just a photo of me and the mister. So we're excited. So I hope that you guys are enjoying your holidays, and I hope you guys are enjoying this Vlogmas. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do hit the subscribe button, because we are growing a lot in subscribers and we're getting close to our 2.5 subscriber giveaway. So until next time, guys, grow yourselves a garden, because even a small space will provide you with tons of food. Bye guys.